ice cream. First, we have the ColdSnap, then the Lussino Desert Maker, and then over here, the Whynter ice cream roll maker.
So this is rolled ice cream, right?
Rolled ice cream, instant ice cream, and this is
more of a traditional, right?
Right.
And the traditional takes the longest. So why don't we start with that?
Okay.
So what are you going to add, assistant?
I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream and half a can of sweetened condensed milk.
Okay. So you put that in. And since why don't we make chocolate? So you're going to add some chocolate sauce directly to it?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's adding her chocolate sauce.
Perfect. We can add more as we go too.
Yeah, so we can add some at the end if people have different preferences.
Yeah. So you put the lid on, and then up front you press the buttons.
You push on, mix, and then you set the timer. And it takes about 20 minutes, right, assistant?
Right, we can see the chocolate being mixed in.
Well, let's open that up.
Okay.
Oh,
Smells good.
oh, it does. And while that's mixing, why don't we make some other kinds of ice cream too, right?
Make our ColdSnap ice cream.
Okay, what flavors do we have?
We have chocolate, coffee, salted caramel, chocolate again, mocha, and vanilla.
That's right, so you have salted caramel, that's really good. I call it caramel, you call it caramel. So we're making chocolate, so should we just compare the different types of chocolate?
Yeah. So we got our chocolate can, and we're gonna drop it in.
Okay.
Is there a bolt down there? Yep. And then you slide this forward, and it's all ready to go.
And how long does that one take?
About 2 minutes.
So that's 2 minutes, so we have 20 minutes, 2 minutes, and this one takes about 5, right?
Right.
All right, so the one thing about ColdSnap is since it freezes it so fast, it makes it creamier, right?
Oh yeah.
So this one's a little bit thicker, where ColdSnap is a lot more like soft serve, right?
Right.
All right, so here is, it takes about 2 minutes, right?
Right. Where is it on the thing?
It's about halfway, so you know when it's ready to go, because it's all the way around, right?
Here goes.
Here's our chocolate. Very good. And then, so that's done, and then this ice cream right here is still
Pretty liquid.
pretty like chocolate milky, right?
And the cleanup process for this one's really easy too. All you do is take it out and you're done.
Well, that's right. There's no cleanup, is there?
Nope.
Good job. All right, now let's make some rolled ice cream. So we'll add some sprinkles to it. This one, right?
Right. To the rolled ice cream, you said?
Yep.
Okay. Got to pour a little bit in the middle.
Okay. Okay.
Add some chocolate sauce.
Ooh, I like that.
Then you got to mix this up first.
Okay. And so on this one, this top surface is really cold, right? You can see the frost on it.
And it freezes the milk.
And it freezes the heavy cream and whipping cream, right?
Right. Okay, can you add some, should we add sprinkles or chocolate chips?
You want to add both?
Sure.
So now you add your...
These are chocolate chips.
So
Oh, that was a lot.
That's a lot of chocolate chips, assistant.
Okay, just a little bit of sprinkles.
Now, this one is more of an activity, right? Definitely.
It's an experience.
It definitely has the biggest amount of cleanup and probably the most prep work, too.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Good job.
Gotta try to get it all in the middle.
And you can see it's getting a little thicker already, right? you if you added a few chocolate chips at a time. That's okay.
Yes.
In the meantime, the ColdSnap is ready for another ice cream. And our solution is getting thicker, but it's definitely not ice cream. It's like chocolate frosty. Alright, so how's this going along?
Pretty good. It's definitely freezing. I should probably spread it out soon.
Oh, it's a good idea.
Okay, so what you gotta do is you gotta get it all in the middle. Then you gotta evenly spread. Oh,
You got a lot.
there's lots of chunks in there.
You got a lot of chocolate chips in there.
I saw this trick where you put this on the edge,
Uh-huh.
like this, and then you spread it like that. So the edges are even.
Oh, okay. How are you doing with that trick?
Good, look how even the edge is.
Oh yeah,
And then you do it on this side too.
It's definitely an even edge. Okay.
You kind of want it to be on the thinner side too.
Yeah, it makes it a lot easier to cut. We learned that the hard way.
Yeah.
So unlike the other two, this one definitely takes the most practice, right?
Right.
You're not going to get your ice cream right the first time.
Probably not even this time.
Probably. And we've used each of these probably about 10 to 15 times, right?
Right.
So then you have to cut it, right? You slice it.
Right, but first you have to make sure it's frozen all the way.
Okay.
So till it's not shiny anymore.
Oh, I gotcha. So in the meantime, why don't we go back and look at our Lussino Desert Maker.
Okay.
Now, in terms of variety, this ice cream maker is kind of cool because you can make different flavors, you can make sherbet, and different things like that. Too.
Yeah. Should we add more chocolate sauce?
Oh, you can do that, right?
Yeah, you can add stuff and mix it.
So we made fresh strawberry ice cream with it before.
Ooh, did you see it when you put it in?
Yeah, try it one more time. I might have not had the right thing. It's definitely getting thicker, right?
Yeah, for sure. It's like milkshake consistency
Okay,
right
why don't
now.
we get a spoon and then we can see how thick it is. Stop it for a second.
Ready?
Wait a minute, let's stop it. All right.
I'd say this is probably milkshake consistency. Right?
You want to give it a taste and see how we're doing so far with it?
Oh. Mmm, pretty good.
All right, let's turn the motor back on and get spinning. Let's cover it back up. Pretty good?
Yeah.
All right, ColdSnap, still just waiting. And now...
Oh no, this slid onto it. See, it should all look like that, but it's shiny still.
Oh, you still have a little shininess to it.
Yeah, and then when I brush my thing across it, it's moving still. See?
Oh, yeah.
We can take this part off.
Okay.
See?
Oh, yeah, look at that. Very good. Okay, so we've waited quite a bit of time. You ready?
Yeah.
So you draw your line, right?
Right?
And then you have to use the other one to help roll it, to get the roll started. Good. So I think it has so many chocolate chips in it that it doesn't always want to roll. Good job. That one and the cup. First piece of rolled ice cream. And now for the next one.
You gotta measure your thing. So look, and then you go.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Two.
That's the second one. Good job. Now you're gonna get the right line, the right width. And again, this one takes a lot of practice, right?
Right.
Don't expect to be able to make rolled ice cream your very first time.
Or 10.
Or 10th time.
Just don't add chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips made it way more difficult than it should.
Because if you watch some of our other videos, they've turned out really good.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to try to roll this bit.
Okay. Alright, good job. So we're going to put this in the freezer while we get our Lussino ice cream, right? It's been closer to what, like a half hour?
Yeah, let's scoop out the ice cream.
There it goes. Turn it off. Actually, we're going to turn off the...
Here we go.
We're leaving the compressor on so it stays cool, right?
Right.
So of the three, this one you kind of have to be careful or it won't always freeze.
Right.
Usually with the rolled ice cream you can make it thin enough that you'll eventually get it to freeze. The ColdSnap works literally every single time. But this one right here is a little bit more finicky. We remember one time we tried to make cherry ice cream and we just couldn't get to freeze.
Yeah. There we go.
So there is your Lussino ice cream, right?
Yeah.
All right. So why don't we make one more? Your choice. What kind of ice cream do you want to make and put some toppings on?
ColdSnap.
ColdSnap. Great idea. So what kind of flavor are you going to use this time?
We're going to use salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Okay. So you're going to pull out the one we'd already done.
And put in the salted caramel.
Yep.
Is there a cup?
We're going to put a cup down. And you can close it right now even though the cup's not below it.
Because it takes 2 minutes.
It takes 2 minutes. So let's take that. And then we're going to put a cup underneath it. And we're going to wait 2 minutes.
Here it goes.
Good job. Right? All right. Now, what are you going to put on it?
Time to decorate.
By decorate, she means put her toppings on.
We're going to put some of this caramel sauce.
Okay.
Just like that. And then some chocolate sauce.
Okay. Good.
Perfect.
Now, you gonna put any sprinkles or anything else on it?
Sure. Of these chocolate sprinkles.
Wow.
Ta-da! Spoon. And here it is.
That's your salted caramel.
Chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, and sprinkles ice cream.
So, assistant, I think the one that worked out the best was which one?
Definitely ColdSnap.
That's right. So it was the quickest, and the other two are fun, and you can get a little bit more variety in what you make. But if you're just looking for ice
Fast,
cream,
easy, quick cleanup ice cream. ColdSnap.
yeah,
Sorry
'cause
about
look, in terms of cleanup,
that. Quite
yeah,
a big.
we gotta clean this thing off. Can you put that in the dishwasher?
No.
Yeah, you can't. So that has to be wiped down with a wet towel repeatedly. And then with our actual Lussino ice cream maker, it's a little bit easier, but again, all the ice cream has to be scooped out, and you have to have a wet towel to kind of clean it, right?
Right.
You can't put it in the sink and just wash
Leave it there. Oh.
or put it in the dishwasher. So I think that makes ColdSnap the what?
Winner!
Winner of our first ever unique ice cream maker challenge.
I guess. I don't know. Bye, everyone! Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!